Okay, so I'm looking at some stocks to try and see breakouts that may have earnings potential. I see this Sienna kind of a move at 60 that looks interesting. Here's another I was looking at, FCX. And this one has got this little, you can see it here, that kind of a little move there. And also, I like that a lot. So, Freeport, I thought the infrastructure was over, but could it be alive and well? There's lots of red volume down here, so I don't like that, but that also hasn't mattered so much to a lot of the stocks that are breaking out now. So, speaking of materials, okay, take a look at the fertilizers. Intrepid Potash had this real nice consolidation here and a breakout, then maybe it catches up with this and then kind of does something down near 40. I thought these were over after Mosaic had its trouble. When Mosaic gapped down here, it's kind of coming back in a little bit, but it really had this gap right there on earnings, and I thought maybe something like this is kind of gonna happen here. So then I wanted to look at potash, Nutrien. So that one's looking like the same kind of a thing going on. So I thought the infrastructure and the materials and the cyclicals trade was over, but if interest rates keep going up, then maybe some of these cyclicals can keep working. I got juked out of some of these materials here, like this one, Boise, Bungie. It was bouncing around down here. I think I was buying it back here in July and maybe September, and it did all these little bounces before the final kind of a breakout move. And now it's looking pretty good up here at 93. I thought the cyclical trade was over because I kept seeing this kind of formation in all the cyclicals, and I was just thinking that I didn't I missed a lot of this move in many of them, like the energies. I wasn't big. I was still buying back a lot of the stuff I had sold into here, into this breakout, and the materials and energies, but I wasn't anywhere near as big as I was way down in here and here. I was much bigger, but I kind of got smaller and smaller as this went on. And the same thing happened with this Boise Cascade. I was buying this in here, but probably I sold it down there, or I certainly would have sold it on that last red candle there. But, that would have been the bottom. I missed it. This volume looks really good. Who knows? Maybe we get some kind of a thing like that if this cyclical is back on. There's others too, some of the home builders. So I wonder if we really are still moving further down the late cycle route. I was sure we were nearing the end, but next June when tapering should be done is a long time from now, so who knows how much is left in these materials stocks. All right, moving on to the danger zone. I've got this, I guess it's 10 cent. I don't know, I saw these Chinese ones, and I just really, you know, you can see that stop right there, which is that's why it's dangerous because you know and then a little thing, and then a dip, and then maybe another little thing. Who knows if that's? But I'll tell you what. If you look at a weekly chart of this, you can just see this profound uptrend, and you know right here would be a great little place to get in because you've got an easy stop if it crosses right down there. Um, this is a good trade again because of this long-term chart. So maybe it's something that we can spend some time going into the earnings, even though these are really who knows what you're getting if you buy one of these. So I don't know if it's worth a whole lot of time to go into the earnings, but maybe worth some kind of like a small position just because maybe they're not total frauds and they do have some growth if we do more kind of QE or something. So I think that is going to do it for this one. And again, thanks for watching.